How to replace a 2015 GMC Yukon 6-button remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Let's go and replace the battery on a GMC Yukon 6-button remote key fob. For this task, you'll need your remote, a flat tip screwdriver, and a CR2032 battery. If your key ring is attached, it might be in your way, it might not. Go ahead, flip up, and on the back of the remote, you'll see there's an indentation right there. Take your flat tip screwdriver, put it in, and twist. Back cover comes off. Take your finger, push down on the battery, and pull it towards you. You notice this one here doesn't want to pop out. Take your flat tip and just come into this corner, and you're going to push it into there. And when you do, twist, and it'll pop out for you. There you go. As you can see, it's a CR2032 battery. This is a new remote, so we'll put this battery back in. Notice right here, battery drops in like so. Push it towards there. Now take the back cover. You'll notice the 3 indentations. Those need to go on first. There you go, you've changed the battery out. Hey, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.